Hi everyone, this is Shaun Cain from the Stargazing with Shaun Cain YouTube channel, where we bring you up close and personal with your favorite stars of reggae and dancehall music, Jamaican popular culture, and people who've impacted society in a very significant way. Now, I was in Springfield Park in London recently, and I came across these wonderful birds. And I know the story behind how they migrate to far places. They travel thousands of miles from the UK to points in Africa, and they make that journey back. So epic, and it makes you wonder just how great nature is, the things we can achieve when we put our minds to it. On the Stargazing with Shaun Cain show, we speak with people who've done great things for humanity, and we invite you to visit the channel on YouTube. And while you're there, please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment so we know how we're doing and how you found our videos. Check out the interviews, and you can join us too as a guest. Just get in touch, gazingstarworld@gmail.com, as we continue to enjoy the wonderful acts of nature, the kindness of people that we don't even know, the kindness of animals that we haven't managed to tame fully. But we can see how graceful they look, and they make us imagine about the things that we can achieve if we just put our minds to it. Nature at its best. Once again, please remember to subscribe to the Stargazing with Shaun Cain YouTube channel. You can check us out on Facebook and also on Instagram. And here we are on TikTok. Have a great day.